Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Veda Food Court and Art. I hope all are doing good. Today I have a delightful South Indian meal for you. We will be making fenugreek leaves pappu. It's called Methi pappu in Telugu. A wholesome and flavorful lentil stew and Dondakaya fry, a crispy and tangy Gaurd stir fry. Let's get started. Start by washing 1 cup of tur dal and half cup of masoor dal in pressure cooker and soak it with 2 cups of water for half an hour. Also soak a lemon sized tamarind in water. Here I am washing one big bunch of fenugreek leaves. After washing, drain the water and keep it aside. Add half spoon of turmeric powder in the soaked dal and 1 chopped tomato and fenugreek leaves. Now pressure cook until it's soft and mushy. Meanwhile, I started cutting the Gourd Dondakaya into the slices and also chop one big size onion. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal and chana dal, and sliced onion, red chili, curry leaves, and half spoon of turmeric powder. After that, add sliced avocado and stir well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. It's time to open our cooker. See, our dal is cooked properly. I added here 1 tablespoon of salt and smashed the dal and fenugreek leaves well with the papagutti, and also added the tamarind juice here. See, it's time to check our Dondakaya fry. Just one time stir well and again close the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. It's time to give tadka for dal. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and I added little quantity of mustard seeds, cumin seeds and chana dal, urad dal and crushed garlic, sliced onion and red chilies and some curry leaves, and also I added the red chili powder, and immediately I transferred the dal into the tadka and closed the lid and simmer for few minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and add some water, adjust the consistency of the dal and again close the lid and cook for 2 more minutes. Again open the lid and check. See, our methi dal is ready to serve. See here, our Dondakaya fry is crispy and golden brown. It's time to add some fresh grated coconut and 1 spoon of red chili powder. Mix well. Now it's time to add crushed garlic. It gives nice aroma to the dish. And again mix and close the lid. So cook for 1 minute. Your Dondakaya fry is ready to serve. The combination of the flavorful fenugreek leaves pappu and the crispy Dondakaya fry is simply amazing. The bitterness of the fenugreek leaves complements the tangy and spicy Dondakaya fry perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for fenugreek leaves pappu and Dondakaya fry. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and leave your comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.